There's been a lot of stuff in the media lately about Munchausen syndrome or Munchausen syndrome by proxy, so let's talk about what this is. So Munchausen syndrome is a psychological condition where someone pretends to be ill or deliberately produces symptoms of illness in themselves. So essentially, they're not actually sick, but psychologically they think they are sick, so they will make up symptoms, go to doctors, request tests and procedures, etc. Munchausen syndrome by proxy is essentially the same thing. However, somebody is making up these fake sick symptoms for somebody else, and oftentimes it is usually a mother or a caretaker doing it to a child. This is a mental illness and this is a form of child abuse, and this is not okay. These are some of the signs that someone might be experiencing Munchausen syndrome by proxy. Persistent or recurrent illnesses for which a cause cannot be found, unusual symptoms or signs that don't make sense, persistent failure of a child to tolerate or respond to medical therapy without a clear cause, discrepancies between a patient's history and clinical findings. The child appears to be inconsistent with whatever their alleged illness is. The illness gets better when child is separated from parent. The caregiver refutes or is angered by negative test results or findings and is non-compliant with treatment. The caregiver provides false information to professionals and other individuals. Other children in the family have had unexplained illnesses or died for reasons that are unclear, or the caregiver's social media posts do not accurately reflect events or the child's health. Munchausen syndrome by proxy is just a very, very sad thing that happens, but it's important as medical professionals to be aware of what this is so that we can recognize the signs and offer assistance and help to people when they need it.